As the world struggles with the COVID-19 pandemic, is the SARS-CoV-2 virus transmission airborne, or is it only through droplets at close quarters? Scientists from the Council for Scientific and Industrial Research have done experimentation to prove that the SARS-CoV-2 virus can be transmitted as an airborne infection.
The virus is a very small, tiny entity, a few tens of nanometers, and obviously it is entrapped when we speak in these particles, and when you sneeze, you emit so many of them. Obviously, virus is going to get entrapped in them, and another person breathing them in will get infected. That the possibility of actually airborne is much more, and I actually explain to people what it means that virus is entrapped in particles and all. One very effective way of not contacting the virus is wearing masks, and masks can even be homemade. 2 or 3 layer mask at home, a 3-layer mask is sufficient to actually give you very heavy protection.
This particular instrument is used for checking and sampling the air.
When we propose that the virus is essentially transmitted through air, then we devise this instrument. Our lab in Chandigarh, the Central Scientific Instrumentation Organization, or CSIO. As you can see here, is the instrument is on now.
So it's sucking air.
It's sucking air, and the air is going from behind. As you can see here,
Yeah, it's coming out from here.
coming out from here, it is sucking from here.
Correct.
So, and there is a filter in between, and the filter captures that particular air. That's essentially what we do. We took this machine to many different hospitals. Even in ICU, there was only one patient or something. Then we did not find too much virus beyond 5 or 6 feet beyond that particular patient. But the moment there were 7 or 8 people, the whole of ICU was full, the air was full with virus which was there. Similarly, in patient hold areas, if it's not very well ventilated, we do find virus if it's not very well ventilated.
If the SARS-CoV-2 virus is transmitted through air and is airborne, then controlling the pandemic takes a different trajectory. Keep watching India Science.